Good afternoon, beautiful people. June 3rd, day 73. Thinking about thinking, radical understanding, finding joy out of suffering. And it's day 3 of understanding time. It's at this point in the online journey that I just want to scream the lessons from the rooftops. And as I've mentioned in previous weeks, every single part of this online journey that I created 5 years ago has been so relevant for the times that we are living in right now. Today's affirmation is, I will heal separation by seeing through the illusions. Everywhere around us is an illusion. The media creates one, the political spectrum creates one, our friends and family create illusions. People try to trick us into believing what they want us to see. They try really hard to hide the truth. But as you go on a journey of elevating consciousness, you see through the illusions and you form that bond with the oneness that is all of us. And today's question, again, every day there's 3 questions. What are you grateful for? What are you going to achieve? And then a very unique question. Today's question is, how influenced by the opinions of others are you? I challenge you right now, if you're listening to this, whatever you are thinking about, is that a thought that you came up with on your own, or are you mimicking and playing back someone else's thought that has been imprinted upon you? I see a lot of followers in the social media world, a lot of individuals that do not have their own unique thoughts. And that's a challenge. But that leaves the media and the government very quickly and easily able to control us because they know that nobody's actually thinking. So I want you to question your own thoughts. Where did they come from? Are they yours? Are they a collection of many thoughts? Or do you just blindly believe what others say? And today's lesson is really all about the power of gratitude and time. Gratitude is one of the keys that unlocks the kingdom for all of us. Gratitude connects us to that divine source, that unlimited power. Call it God, Spirit, infinite intelligence, divine, whatever you choose. It's that connection that facilitates the manifestation of all things. Gratitude raises your vibration, and as long as you are feeling gratitude, you can't be angry. You cannot be frustrated. You cannot be disappointed or sad. It's impossible. Try it. I challenge you. Wake up and write 10 things you're grateful for. If you feel yourself slipping, think about what you're grateful for. But being grateful for every result is important, not just the grand and the glorious. This is probably one of the most difficult things for individuals to grasp and adopt. But it's the one thing, it's really the only thing that's going to serve you. As Wallace Wattles once said, all things have contributed to your advancement. Therefore, include all things in your gratitude, the good, the bad, and the ugly. You're a product of your past experiences and your past circumstances. All those things are history, but each has contributed to who you are today. Be grateful for it all, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And your life will change. As difficult as that might seem, take it for someone who's experienced a lot of good, a lot of bad, and a lot of ugly. The more grateful you are for the disasters in your life, the better your life will become. So, as I finish today, please try and look through the illusion. Try and have some thoughts for yourself and be grateful for all things. Until tomorrow, I love you. Be kind to yourself and to others.